Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.